5 Panchayati Raj. It is recapitulation video. This chapter Panchayati Raj. Let's revise chapter. So here you can see in this picture many people sitting. They are assembled for one assembly. So here is a Gram Sabha. Okay. So the meeting, the Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults who live in area covered by a panchayat. This could be only one village or a few villages. In some state, as an example, above the village meeting is held for each village. Anyone who is 18 years old or more who has right to vote is a member of Gram Sabha. So it is clear over here that all people, those are 18 and above 18, village, the village that is uncovered under the panchayat, that panchayat known as a member of Gram Sabha. Those have right to vote. Here the people, we are talking about the people of Hardas village. Okay, so there is a first meeting of new Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat meeting began with the Panchayat president. Who is a Panchayat president? Sarpanch. So the head of this Panchayat is known as Sarpanch. All the member of Panchayat known as Panches, those are presenting plan and their policy for coming year for the development of the village. So they are presenting their policy and they are explaining. They are presenting a plan on repairing road. First they present which plan? The repairing roads. And connect the village road to the main highway. First. So first planning is this. After this, the discussion move on the subject of water and the water storage or shortage. So the second discussion about the water and water shortage. So here they are talking about the need, about the permanent problem of water shortage. Before this, let's start talk about the president Sarpanch Gram Sabha. As you know, Panchayat is a system of self-government body in the rural area. It aims at rural development and involving the rural communities. It strengthens the foundation of Indian democracy. Rural self-government works toward development related to agriculture, irrigation, health, education, rural development through local efforts. It attains the local problems such as drinking water supply, electricity, maintenance of road, sanitation much more efficiently. So the Panchayati Raj work at 3 levels. The Gram Panchayat at the village level, Block Samiti at the block level, and the Jilla Parishad at the district level. And the all member of the village, those are 18 and above 18, those have right to vote the member of Gram Sabha, and the head of this panchayat known as Sarpanch, another member of the panchayat known as Panches. The ward panch and the Sarpanch form Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat is elected for how many years? For 5 years. Now in this Gram Panchayat, one person is appointed by the government, this person known as secretary, the secretary of the Gram Sabha. The person is not elected person, as the sarpanch and the other member of panch is elected by the Gram Sabha, but the secretary is not elected by the Gram Sabha. This person is appointed by the government. What is the responsibility of the secretary? The secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of Gram Sabha and keeping the record of the proceeding. Whatever the matters, issues, planning discussed in meetings, Gram Sabha meetings, secretary who is pen down all these things, maintain the record of all these things and convey these record, these policy in their head office. Here is a village called Tija, villager person called Tija, begins the meeting by saying the water problem in Hardas has become very acute, very severe. Because whatever the hand pump they had done, so the level of that water level goes down. The hand pump water has gone well below the point up to which the ground has been drilled. So the women of Hardas village were facing lots of problems. Women have to go to Suru river, the river which is 3 kilometers away from the village. So the women have to go to Suru river to get water, which is 3 kilometers. One of the members suggests for this problem, they are talking about the water shortage problem. That why, so the women facing lots of problems. So one of the member of this Gram Sabha suggested that piping water from Suru and making overhead tank in the village to increase the supply. But the other thing that this will be expensive to build pipeline from Suru river to village. Its cost, this will be very expensive. So it's better they feel to depend the hand pump, as they have already discussed the hand pump water which they have already dug, that the water goes down. So they suggest that clean the wells and depend the hand pumps. But one, the teacher says this is not enough. This is not permanent solution. So they need to more permanent solution and increase the ground level water. Okay. So another member of the Gram Sabha, Anwar, then he shared his view. Then he tells everyone that he has seen way of conserving water and recharging, refilling it in a village in Maharashtra. So because he visited his brother, so he so what he observed over there, that the people conserving water by recharging and refilling the water, that system known as watershed development program. And for this program, the government gave aid money to village for this project, watershed development project. And this project, what is going watershed development project? They conserving water, recharging and refilling the water, the way to conserving water. So how they conserving water? Through planting more and more trees, to build tank for to conserve the rainwater. So that is the watershed development project. In his brother's village, people had planted tree. So in this way, they conserving water, constructed check dams and tanks. In this way, they recharging or refilling the rainwater in these tanks. Fine. Everyone thought it was an interesting idea. The Gram Panchayat was asked to find out more detail about it. Okay. Now it was a second issue. What was the third issue? Let's see. So the next agenda of this Gram Sabha was finalization of BPL list. What is the BPL list? The below poverty line. Those people of village, those are below poverty line, their name entered by the one person who appointed for the making the list of below poverty line, BPL list, that person name the whole detail of that person who is below the poverty line. So as soon as the list is read out, the begin whisper. लोग बातें करने लगे. Why? Because there is a one name is skipped in that list. One name was skipped in that list. Natwar had just bought a color TV. His son has sent him a motorcycle. How can be he below poverty line? Because Natwar name was in this list. Suraj Mal mutters to the person sitting next to him, and Saro say to Sukhi Bhai, how did Birju name get onto the list? Okay, he has so much land, and other name was a Birju who is in this list. So this list should be have only for the poor people, those are below poverty line. So, or the actual person of below poverty line in the village, the name was Om Prakash, who is landless labor who come barely make ends meet, जो अपने पूरे दिन के लिए रोटी जुटाना जिसके लिए मुश्किल होता है, उसी का नाम इसमें नहीं है. Yet his name is not in the list. So you know that the both Natwar and Birju, why the Natwar and Birju name was in this list? Because they are the very close friend of Amir Chand, and Amir Chand was the powerful person of the village. He was earlier Jamidar. Okay, still he has a lots of control over a lot of land of village. So here the people think, no, we should think about Om Prakash name. So when the Sarpanch noticed that the people whispering about the BPL list, so they asked what happened. Okay, they trying, the Gram Sabha member trying to ask about the Surajmal and Birju's name for the Sarpanch, but they quit. Okay, they were quiet, and the Amir Chand is sitting Gram Sabha keeping eye on everyone that who is taking action against him. So the search get up and say Om Prakash name was not in the list and he is too poor. So the Sarpanch asked how his name has been missed out. So the teacher who did survey the BPL list. So who has a responsibility to survey the BPL list, who make the BPL list? Teacher of that village. Okay, so he said when he visited the Om Prakash house, it was locked. Maybe he went somewhere. So he may have gone somewhere to look for the work. The Sarpanch given instruction to the teacher to collect the detail about the Om Prakash. If it is according to the BPL BPL list, so you should put his name in the BPL list. So these were the issue taken in the Gram Sabha meeting. First of the policy planning, they discuss about the road planning. Then third about the water shortage, repairing the road, water shortage, and third one is the name of the BPL list. Okay, I hope it is understood by all. Now I will ask a question from you. Village Panchayati Raj system is a three-tiered system. Okay, three-tiered system. And this system, the rural local self-government governing body of Gram Sabha. In this Gram Sabha, in this Gram Panchayat, it may be a one villages or few villages. Now, this Gram Sabha Panchayat is at the lowest level. It is the lowest level, smaller unit of democracy of India. Okay. Now it covers the village or the group of Gram Panchayat at the lower level. It covers the village and the group of village. The block samiti is the block level. So the many villages come in blocks. Many villages comes in like, am I audible everyone? Please show your digital thumb. Yes. So like 5 or 6 or 12 villages make one group. So they are group of villages. So they work under the block. Block consists approximately 100 villages. Okay. Now the next one is a Jila Parishad. Is formed at the district level, the topmost level, and the head of the panchayat system. And the block samiti work under the Jila at the district level. Fine. So this is the Panchayati Raj 3-tier system. What is the work of Gram Panchayat? The construction and maintain the village hospitals in the village. Impose levying tax, collecting tax from the village. Provide and launch new scheme generating employment in the village. For all these things, the panchayat, from where the panchayat get the money? The panchayat get the money from the taxes which collected from the villagers, and for the government scheme like watershed development and other scheme like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao and other scheme, they collect the fund from the Jila Parishad and Block Samiti and other people who donate the fund for the Gram Panchayat for village development. So from here they get the money. Clear? Now there is a few guideline with our Indian constitution. Give the each state of the country that each state has its own rule, own laws that regard to panchayat. The idea is to provide more and more space to people to participate and raise their voice. I hope it is understood by all.